I gotta get away. These visions of better days. Winds blowing on me underneath the sun rays. With stress and strain in the back of your mind. Relax and recline, cause everything tonight could be fine. If you ain't tripping off time, it's a mission in fact. 5 deep, 2 in the front, 3 in the back. Now we can roll like we need to. Proceed to open up the window, let the breeze through. Come on.
Headed to the highway, leave your care behind. Going to the country. Sleeping in the still of the night, awaking to another day. Out in the country, yeah, yeah.
Gotta get away for a while to ease my head. Everybody knows that's the way to do it.
That's the way you gotta do it.
Gotta get away for a while to ease my head. Everybody knows that's the way to do it.
That's the way you do it. Something about that country style that puts you in a trance.
That's country
living. Someday I hope to have some land and raise a family.
out in the country.
Out in the country.
For a while to ease my head. Everybody knows that's the way to do it.
Gotta get out to the country.
For a while to ease my head. Everybody knows that's the way to do it.
Living up in the city ain't no pity. People wanna come at you with the chitty chatter and you do a ditty. Ain't nobody trying, too much people lying. And the system wanna make you end up in a life of crime. Can't you see, can't you understand me? Mr. Fiji, letting you know the party. Let's come back into the culture. Hey, don't let them eat you up like a vulture. It's too strong, yes we like Polynesians. Coming from the days of old and letting you know that the truth be told. That the land they stole and needs to unfold. Come back in the copper bowl. Now that you got an education of the mind, relax, relax, let your soul unwind. Hey, 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 I want you get away, get away, get away.